Hey everybody, amprepairguy.com, 203-892-4119, also harbackelectronics.com. So I added on the Amp Repair Guy page how to ship an amplifier in. So go to amprepairguy.com and it is on the left side, first item on the left, very top of the menu bar. Okay, so we have an Ameritron Al811 here. I pulled the choke out. I'm like, oh no, I forgot to start making a video. So this thing needs a lot of work. Customer wants me to go through it. First off, I'm going to place the choke as this 4-section one in. I'm going to put the proper one in. I'm going to put the parasitic board on it, the new style. Customer had an open. You can see where the wire flashed from the output to the backboard here, flash through the insulation to ground, so I'll replace that with a piece of coax. Does not have the string of diodes on the board, I'll add those. I'll do the bias modification. Coil's not soldered to the support over here, which also connects it to the safety choke, so if you ever had the plate blocker short, it would bring the B positive to ground. And pop the line fuse, so you wouldn't have DC voltage going out the output connector if the amp were keyed. The air variable capacitor on the plate side has damage to one of the plates. Oh, I'll show you. Let's see, very thorough here. Let's see. Right there. Pretty nasty. Okay, so I'll pull that out and swap it. I'm going to add the gas discharge tubes. Replace the SO239s, clean the relay contacts, clean the input rotary switch with deoxy gold, and the output band switch with deoxy gold has the black bleeder / equalization resistors, so that's all set. I saw some damage to one of the shunt resistors over here, so I'll replace that. He replaced the diode over here, I'll put the proper one in. And that's about it. So. Also gas discharge tubes, if I didn't say that before. So, okay, I'm going to order the parts, and when I have everything in hand, I will fix it. And I'll also do the 10-meter mod for them. Okay, so, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll also put some heat shrink over this for them. I'll be back. See you soon. Hey everybody. I'm back with the completed amplifier. This was a lot of work, needed a lot of stuff, but it is all done. Got a brand new set of Penta tubes, test full output on all bands. Had the old style plate choke in it, so I put the new style in. Got one from Tom. Ameritron no longer has them, so I'll go over everything I did real quick, and then it's on to the next amplifier. Okay, so I grab a pointer. So change the air variable cap on the plate side. This one had damage to the plate. Steel plate choke. Needed new SO239s. In the older ones, they used a single wire instead of a piece of coax between the load air variable cap and the board in the back, so that had arced over, so I replaced it with a piece of coax. Also put the parasitic board in. Someone did some crazy work to this one. One of the leads had snapped off, so did the bias modification. Had the newer style resistors, so I left those. Meter lamps are good. Put the proper meter protection diode in. New parasitic board from Ameritron. New plate choke from Tom. Brand new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. Clean the contacts on the TR/bias relay. Added the string of diodes to the board in the back. So by doing that, the tubes aren't biased on as hard, and it also increases the stability of the amplifier. Added the gas discharge tubes, compressed the socket clips carefully, tightened up on all the nuts for the screws that hold the sockets in place. Fixed the solder joint over here. for this tab that holds the coil in place. Put a longer screw in the plate choke. Resoldered this connection over here. Added a hole for ground connection. Touched up on other solder joints. I was lacking a split lock washer underneath the nut for the connection between the plate tuner variable cap and the conductor that goes to the board. Cleaned the rotary switch connections, the band switch and the input rotary switch connections with the aux gold. Did the 10 meter modification. And this thing is all set, so it's literally better than new. Great amp. This one has the open frame relay. Way more robust than the little cube ones. So if you need an amplifier repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. I have all of the information on how to send one in on my website now. So if your amp meets those qualifications, feel free to just send it and just send me a text with the tracking. My other website is harbackelectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day. 73.